Hello, and welcome back to another video. Yup, today you will learn Python for free. And I do have 4 websites that you can learn Python from, again, for free. So the first one is directdari.com, and then you will go to projects with source codes, then Python, if you want to have or to learn from projects. So here you will find a lot of projects and with source code. So let's just choose any of the projects from here and go down. See, code plus, guys, there is a step-by-step explanation. That's amazingly good. And also they do have exercises or practices. So just go to programming exercises and then Python exercises, and you can find multiple exercises. By the way, when you download from here, when you click on the download button, you will get a PDF, and a PDF I think contains 10 or 20 questions with solutions. So it's amazingly good. Also, they do have free books. Let's see. So they just put the best books for me, by the way. So they put the let's say from beginner to intermediate, but honestly, even there's an advanced. I think they put it this week because I'm always using this website. So it is a very good website. So again, it is directdari.com. The second one, which is the best for me too, okay, this is the best, but this is the second best, which is Codecademy. This website is extremely amazing. Extremely amazing. By the way, you can learn web development, data science, web design, computer science, whatever, blah, a lot of stuff, especially Python. All of them are with Python normally, so yeah, that's why. And you will practice, it's a course plus practicing plus projects. It's amazing. And by the way, you will have the course here and then the practice here. Amazingly good. And also, they added AI learning assistant. By the way, guys, I was using this website, but now of course I learned Python and I'm a computer science engineer, so no need. But I was using this website a lot, and of course this one too. The third one is this. By the way, it's a book, but it's a website. It's a website book. But I think using the phone or using it in a phone is better. Honestly, I used it with my phone, so it's so good. You will find every single thing that you need for learning Python. It's amazing, and it's swarprosh.com, I think. I don't know if I said it right or no. The fourth one, which is amazing and free, which is in Udemy or Udemy, not Udemy, I think. So Introduction to Python Programming. Of course, I will put every single link in the description box, so never worry, guys, okay? It's amazing, it's good. It's really good, and I think, there's a certificate when you finish the course. Oh, good. No, it's free, so there is no certificate. That's bad because I did it and I didn't get this. That's why I was surprised. But this is the paid one. Okay, so it's so good, and I do really recommend this course very much. All right, so we came to the end. Again, I will show you again the websites: directdari.com, Code Academy or Codecademy, Swarpush. It's hard to say the name of this website. And the last one is Udemy. Okay, thank you again for watching this video, and bye bye.